So I'm gonna run a little scenario past you. Your kids have just gotten into UBC and the question is, should I throw away all that money and rent, or should I buy a great condo that you can have forever for your own use? Downtown Vancouver, 1 bedroom and a den in a building called the Sea Star. Amazing location. Come on in, let's have a look. Yeah, I know you'd absolutely love this place, but if you'd like to take a personal look at it, we'd love to show it to you, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about the value of your property in today's market, again, love to meet with you, info@hardyteam.ca. We look forward to connecting with you soon.